Hello everyone, today we are going to learn chapter 3 playing with numbers exercise 3.2. Let us see first some write all the factors of the following. First one 36. Let us write factors for 36. 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. Now let us write factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. See the second sum now. We need to find factors of 23. Let us write 1 into 23. Here 23 is a prime number, so it had only two factors, that is 1 and itself. So write down factors of 23 are 1 and 23. Now let us see remaining sums. Now let us see third sum factors for 96. Write down 196 are 96, 248 are 96, 332 are 96, 424 are 616 are 812 are 96. Now all these are factors for 96. See reverse order. 12 8s are 96, 16 6 are 24 4s are 32 3s are 48 2s are and 96 1s are 96. Write down factors of 96 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 32, 48 and 96. Now let us see factors for 115. Write down 1 into 115, 5 into 23. 115 had only 4 factors, so write down factors of 115 are 1, 5, 23 and 115. See the second sum now. Which of the following pairs are coprime? Now let us see what are coprime. The numbers those are having only 1 as a common factor, such numbers called as coprime. Now let us write factors for 18. 1 into 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18, reverse order 6 3s are 18, 9 2s are 18, 18 1s are 18. Write down now factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Let us write factors for 35. 1 into 35, 5 into 7. Reverse order 7 5s are 35, 35 1s are 35. Now write down factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now let us see any common factors were present or not. In both of them only 1 is the common factor. So let us write common factors equals to 1. Therefore 18 and 35 are coprimes. Now let us write therefore 18 and 35 are coprimes. Let us see second question 216 and 215. Let us find 216 factors. 1 into 216, 2 into 108, 3 into 72, 4 into 54, 9 into 24. Again 24 9s are 54 4s are 72 3s are 108 2s are and 216 1. Let us write factors of 216 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 24, 54, 72, 108 and 216. See factors of 215. 1 into 215, 5 into 43. All these are factors of 215. Now let us write common factor equals to 1. Therefore 216 and 215 are co-primes. See third sum, 30 and 415. We need to find factors for 30 and 415. See the factors of 30. 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 tens are, 5 6 are, reverse order, 6 5s are, 10 3s are, 15 2s are, 31s are. Therefore, the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now let us write factors for 415. 1 into 415, 5 into 83. Therefore, factors of 415 are 1, 5, 83 and 415. Now let us write common factors. Here both 1 and 5 are common. Therefore, common factors are 1, 5. Therefore, 30 and 415 are not co-prime. See now, fourth sum. 17 we need to find factors. 1 into 17. 17 is a prime number. It had two factors, that is 1 and 17. So write down factors of 17 are 1, 17. Now let us find factors for 68. 1 into 68, 2 into 34, 4 into 4 ones are 4, carry 2. So 28, 4 sevens are 28. So 4 70s are 68. Now reverse order, 17 4s are, 34 2s are, 68 1s are 68. Now all these are factors for 68. Write down factors of 68 are 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. Here 1 and 17, here 1 and 17 are common. Therefore, write down common factors are 1, 17. Therefore, 17 and 68 are not co-prime. See prime numbers list between 1 to 100. See third question. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 20? See the prime numbers between 1 to 20. Among all of them, 19 is the greatest number. So write down the greatest prime number is 19. See fourth, find the prime and composite numbers between 10 and 30. See the prime numbers between 10 and 30. So write down them. Prime numbers 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. Other than these numbers are composite numbers. So let us write 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. See the fifth sum now. The numbers 17 and 71 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digits 1 and 7. Find two more such pairs of prime numbers below 100. See the prime numbers list. 13 and 31 is one pair. So write down 13, 31. Now see another pair 37 and 73. Write down 37, 73. These two are two pairs of prime numbers which are below 100. See now sixth question. Write three pairs of twin primes below 20. So what are twin primes? The prime numbers that are differ by 2 are called as twin primes. See the prime numbers list. 3 and 5. Comma 5 and 7. Next 11 and 13. All these three are three pairs of twin primes below 20. See the seventh question. Write two prime numbers whose product is 35. See the prime numbers list. 5 into 7 is 35. So write down 5 and 7 are two prime numbers whose product is 35. See 8th question. Express 36 as the sum of two odd primes. See 36 can be written as sum of two odd primes, that is 13 plus 23 makes 36. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. Observe the prime numbers list. 90 to 96 are composite numbers. So write down 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96 are 7 consecutive composite numbers that are less than 100. See 10th question. Write 53 as the sum of 3 primes. See prime numbers 3, 19, 31. This is one pair whose sum is 53. See next one. 13, 17, that is 30. Next 23. Now whose sum is 53. See 11th question. Write two prime numbers whose difference is 10. 19 and 29 are two prime numbers whose difference is 10. See 12th question. Write three pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. See solution. 3, 7 is one pair. Write down 3, 7. Next 13, 17. Next 17, 3, etc. All these are three pairs of prime numbers. Those are less than 20 and each pair sum is divisible by 5. Today we learned chapter 3 exercise 3.2 completely. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.